but there are conversations around them which makes them little, which makes them feel small. Now this story really moved me, and I would like to share it with each one of you. Now on a huge mountainside, there rested a nest which had 4 big eagle eggs, and one fine day the mountain was rocked by an earthquake, and one of the eggs tumbled down the mountain and went down the valley, and at the bottom of the valley there was a poultry farm. And the moment the egg came into the farm, the chickens noticed that an egg had fallen down, and an old hen decided to take care of the egg. It was a big egg, an eagle egg. Now one day the egg finally hatched and a beautiful eagle was born. Now the eagle was born, but the eagle was raised as a chicken. The eagle loved the chicken family. The eagle did not know that it's an eagle because all it saw was the chickens around itself. And it liked the entire thing. One fine day they were playing and the eagle looked up in the skies, and the eagle saw eagles flying, and eagle looked at the chickens and said, I wish that one fine day even I could fly like the eagles above, looking above. Now the moment the chickens heard this, they roared into a laughter and said, hey listen, you are a chicken and you cannot roar in the sky, you cannot fly in the sky, so you are a chicken and behave and be like a chicken. Now the eagle realized that every time it would express its dreams, it would be shattered by the chicken family around. Now one fine day, the chicken, who was actually an eagle, believed that I am a chicken, and a day came when it died as a chicken. The eagle died as a chicken. Now it's very moving for me, and I realize that a lot of times our kids, they are the real eagles, but there are conversations around them which makes them little, which makes them feel small, and they are unable to realize their full potential. Inside each child there is an eagle. Let's bring the eagle out.